if they proceed with this operation and were to succeed in pushing through the objections to Glass-Steagall and are forced to unleash the debts which they're trying to hide now, it won't work. What they will simply do, have to replace and cancel the debts outstanding now under the present arrangement and come in with much more modest ones, but they pay them to rich people, which means there'll be still less for the people otherwise. This goes together with the Queen's project for reducing the population of the planet from about 7 billion people to the order of 1 billion people. That's exactly what they've planned. And anyone who's going along with this opposition to Glass-Steagall from here on is going to be denounced internationally by me and by others as mass murderers. They'll be the most unpopular people crawling around or slithering around the planet. And that's exactly where we're headed. Now, a lot of people don't want to think of things sometimes that they think are too frightening. They are easily scared. All these pompous asses are easily scared. Just a little whimper of a donkey's bray, and they'll scatter to the winds. But those who intend to do things, such as the British Queen and other people of that sort, are mass murderers when they think it's necessary to be so. And that's what we're faced with. So anybody who's telling you that Glass-Steagall is not to be enacted is actually acting on behalf of mass murderers. And most of the people